Hello everybody, today I will be doing an unboxing. I promise myself this is gonna be the last orchids I'm gonna buy. Last time I bought some from eBay and I had a good experience. And right now, if you can see the box, it's from orchids.com, also known as Norman's Orchids. So we'll see. This is the first time I'll be buying from them. I'm excited and nervous. Hopefully everything looks great in this box here. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's two in here. I just got from work and I'm so excited. I saw the box in the garage, so before I do anything, I open it. So I read a lot of review from their Facebook page, and I saw a lot of negative feedbacks from them. So that's why I was kind of scared to order from them, but I gave them a chance anyway. Okay. So this one is called... Okay, so this one is the Kazon Queen. Right here. It's hard to focus right now, but that's what it's named. Phalaenopsis scleroreana Barkazon. So this orchid is actually came from Philippines. Well, this variety anyway. And I believe Orman's Orchids are located in California. I like the orchids they have because they have a lot of varieties of Phalaenopsis orchids. They have orchids, species orchids. They also have orchids from Philippines, which I'm excited about because I'm from Philippines. So I love to have orchids from Philippines. So it looks healthy. The leaves. And the next one, okay, this one is what? Oh, this one is Uproads Formosana or Taiwan. Well, this one is from Taiwan. This orchid is from Taiwan in province called Tawu. It is planted in sphagnum. The other one was in bark and this one is in sphagnum. And I can see the roots right here is green, which is good. I know the addiction is real, guys. I have to stop. I have to, or else my paycheck is gone. Okay, on to the second box. I feel guilty buying this stuff. Guilty and excited. Like I said, guys, in my previous video, I prefer to buy orchids from nurseries. You know, I hate buying online because I want to see the orchids. I want to, you know, look at the roots, the leaves. But if you're buying online, you're on their mercy, really. Cold rainbow sweetheart. And again, it is planted in sphagnum moss. The roots are okay. So in Norman's Orchids or orchids.com, you have choices. They have order in mature size or order the one in spike or blooming. Alright, this one is Snow White, Floribunda, Cassandra. The roots looks very healthy in this one. So in some orchids, they only have like one choices in bud or in spike I'd rather pick the one mature size because the other one that I showed you with flowers, that's the only one choices they have. Or else I'd rather buy the one with no bloom. This one looks okay. So I guess don't order the one with flower or in spike because you'll get disappointed. I mean, you paid for it because the prices are different when you bought them with in spike if they have flowers. But then I'm not really impressed with the flowers here. Okay, next one. This one is different. I must say, this one is different. This one is Floribunda Crystal Veil. So this one is white. Have 3 spikes. Well, at least this one has 3 spikes and a lot of flowers. And the roots looks good. Well, I lucked out on this one. If I go to Walmart or Aldi, they have like on sale $3. Okay guys, so these are the orchids or the Phalaenopsis orchids that I bought from Norman's Orchids or orchids.com. So overall, the orchids they look healthy though. But the size, I don't know if that's the mature size already. It looks like premature to me, to be honest. And also, I don't recommend buying the one with spike. Like you see this one right here. I mean, would you, if you go to Walmart, if you see an orchid like that, would you buy that? I don't think so. So that's probably why they sell that online. Because like I said, you don't have a choice. You know, you can't choose the orchids you're gonna be buying online. They're the one be putting it in the box, so they probably choose the one, the ugliest one, the not very healthy one, the one that they're, you know, planning to throw away. Because the $9 orchids in Walmart, this one is in spike. You know, they should at least take a picture of the specific orchid they are going to ship, not the one that is like